Yeah. The famous juice guy. Cheers. Yum.
Usta 5 tane büyük atom var, en büyükler. Efendim buyurun, misyon, buyurun buna be. İstanbul, Türkiye.
Istanbul, Turkey.
İstanbul, Harun Usta. Turkish Harun Usta.
Thank you. Make a sandwich. Steaming. Very good. So this is squeezing out the black seed, which is, I think, and it basically squeezes it until the oil comes out. What do you use it for? Cooking or just drink or?
Drink also you can use here maybe acne, eczema. If you drink it, diabetes,
Diabetes? Oh.
allergic astrum,
Oh, okay.
all the ills. Little spoon before breakfast.
A little bit before breakfast. Okay. Yeah, it's good for your digestion, for your if you're getting sick. Wow, look at this one. Look at that one. That's a long one.
Flax seed oil, pumpkin seed oil.
Poppy seed. Okay. This is a dish made out of yogurt, spinach, some vegetable. It's reminiscent of something my mom used to make called gushala. It's an Assyrian dish. No sweetness, it's just a slight yogurt flavor. Nice and creamy. Lovely. This one is like, I believe the guy said celery roots and some other vegetables that are grilled. Apparently it's in season right now. Right now it's December. So that was nice and refreshing vegetable grilled, caramelized. These are bulgur balls in a soup. Absolutely delicious. Probably the best thing here. These are stuffed grape leaves with cheese. Absolutely okay. I mean, I wouldn't order it again. Don't recommend. But these are stuffed vegetables with ground meat, spices, and rice. So it's a traditional kind of dolma, and it's delicious. That's their salad, Izmir salad, slightly spicy, very tomato based. Highly recommend. We're gonna eat all of that, I think. And this is a kebab that got inhaled after 3 minutes, and it came out delicious. It was a spicy lamb kebab, and it came out hot, piping hot. Dogs are arguing. So here's the neighborhood. Sefi Baba. It's right next to Aksemestin mosque here. Sections to the whole place. Nice, thin and flaky. Holy cow. Lives up to expectations. You actually taste that smokiness. It's supposed to be the best doner, and I haven't tasted all of them. It's actually the first one here. They give you plenty of fresh made bread. They make it right here on the spot. Super thin. It's like perfect lavash. And that's the onion. It's an ayran drink. It's a yogurt drink. Ah. It's good. Nice, refreshing.
Quality is so good.
Merhabalar.
You want? Yeah. Put a stripe.
Yes. Orange, pomegranate juice, kokos.
So much.
Ah, that's enough.
That's the moment.
How long does it take to cook one?
Meat inside, if you use meat, about 3 hours.
Okay,
If you
okay.
chicken, one and a half, a little bit more.
Okay, but when you order, you already have some cooked and you just...
We have ready now.
Okay.
If you want the bottle kebab, you need to wait in maximum 15 minutes.
Oh, okay, okay.
Maximum.
Tasty kebab, huh? Smells good. Thank you.
Thank you. Is that the one I ordered?
Yeah.
Open that pick up the bread ring.
This is the famous tasty kebab. This is kebab with pistachio. Never had that. So. Sort of like a kebab stew. Fresh fish? Oh yeah. It's basically 40 lira. Hot sizzling fish. Put some onions on there. Some lettuce. Tomato. With salt. Salt. Oh, yeah. Lemon. Thank you, teşekkür.
Thank you.
It's only for lira. Thank you. Alright.
Take a look. The bread looks amazing.
Good, on numara. Delicious.
Thank you. Oh, gotta have one more bite. This is so good.
Get it back.
Too much try.